In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate CIBC Costco Mastercard. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Google and type in CIBC Activate Credit Card. In here, you want to click on the first link, which is Activate My Credit Card from their official website. And then from here, as you can see, it's going to give you a bunch of different options. Here you have sign on. So in case you, of course, have existing credentials, you can just click on sign on over here, which will take you to a page where you can basically sign on. And you can basically sign on with your card and then your credentials. So you'll be able to see, there we go. So your card number and then password. Or if you want to register, if it's the first time you're doing this, you can click on register over here and you'll be able to activate your CIBC Costco Mastercard that way. So you'll be able to basically just type in your card info in here. When this loads, there we go. As you can see, there's like 4 steps, and then the first one, you have to basically put in everything regarding your MasterCard over here. So as you can see, what you'll need to register, it says a valid CIBC debit or credit card, and it says or an active Costco MasterCard. So we can just type in those numbers, and then you can click on next over here, continue with the basically activation process, and when you come to the end, the step 4, your CIBC Costco MasterCard will be activated. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.